Good Monday morning and happy 4th of July. This is Chris Allen with your weather podcast for this Monday, July 4th. Ooh, it's raining. And we had some severe storms yesterday, even a couple of tornado warnings in the area, but nothing from that. A little bit of minor wind damage in a couple of places, but overall it's been about the rain. Some of the rain this morning has been quite heavy, some 4 and 5 inch rainfall amounts back to our west. Even a couple of inches of rain here in a few places in the WBKO viewing area, like, for instance, Gradyville and Adair counties reported a little bit over 2 inches of rain within the last 24 hours. Wisdom over in Metcalfe County, a little bit over 2 inches of rain. Let's see if I can find another. Black Gnat over in Taylor County, 2.32 inches of rain. And the numbers continue to pile up here, and the rain isn't going to let up that much today. So if you've planned a cookout or going to the lake, not encouraged. We have a flash flood watch that's in effect all day today, tonight, and through Tuesday morning. As I alluded to, if you were listening or watching on Wednesday or Friday, that the first part of the weekend was going to be great, but by today it looked like some decent rainfall was going to move in, and now we've got some heavy rains moving through. It does look like there will be this short little window of opportunity to maybe plan a cookout around noon, later this morning, midday into the early afternoon before a second wave of showers and thunderstorms rolls through the area. And there again, we could be talking about more heavy rainfall and potential for flash flooding, even a threat of a strong to severe thunderstorm as we get into the day. So looking at the numbers from Sunday, 91 was the official high temperature at the Bowling Green Airport. A little bit after 12:30 yesterday, 89 the average high, so we were just 2 degrees above average. 70 was our low, 68 the average, so there's a 2-degree difference as well. 1 year ago, we had a high of 83 and a low of 70 back in 2015. And just before midnight, we picked up 57 hundredths of an inch of rain at the airport. So well over a half inch of rain. And as I mentioned, some locations 2, 3, 4, even up to 5 inches of rain reported back in western Kentucky as we start this new month of July. And it looks like we're going to be seeing more rain. In fact, a 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms likely this morning. A little bit of a lull toward midday, and then another round by afternoon and evening, a high of 86. Tonight, a continued 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms likely, a low of 73. There again, some of the rainfall could be heavy at times. Just watch for some flash flooding in those cases. And it looks like we're going to stay somewhat unsettled even as we go through the next 7 days. It's going to be a continual pattern, very summer-like pattern. It's going to be warm and humid each day, but at some place and at some time, mainly during the afternoon and evening, we're going to continue to see a chance that somebody will get a shower or thunderstorm. We're going to put in a 30% chance for Tuesday with a high of 87, a 50% chance on Wednesday with a high around 90. We continue a 30% chance on Thursday, 92, 40% chance Friday at 93. Yes, it does go into the weekend. 30% chance of a shower Saturday around 90, and same goes for Sunday with a high at 90. So each of the next 7 days, there's at least a shot of getting some showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, it will be partly sunny, warm, humid each day. Today being the highest, wouldn't you know it, on the 4th of July, the highest chance of getting rainfall, which is at, well, as high as you can go, 100%. Again, some locations may pick up 2 to 3 inches of rain just today and tonight until we get this system out of here, which will be sometime tomorrow. But then we start to get that southerly wind flow and around the ridge of high pressure, and the Gulf of Mexico stays open, and there will be enough instability in the air each day to pop a shower or thunderstorm. All right, so if you're planning a cookout, I would do it later this morning, midday to early afternoon before more thunderstorms try to threaten your cookout or maybe going to the lake. Just be careful. Keep our app with you, Interactive Radar, so you can stay updated on if we get any more weather like we did yesterday, some of those turning severe. In the meantime, try to make it a great day. Thanks for listening. God bless as always. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you later this morning at 5:30 and 11 a.m. on midday, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com, where we have our live stream radar up there right now, 24 hours a day. You're not always going to hear audio. We'll turn on the audio when we have more active storms, but for now, you can just look at that and see continual looping radar. And, of course, I'll be on the radio, as usual, later today, 3 to 7, Classic Hits, Sam 100.7 between 3 and 7 p.m.